guys, hey everyone. Just a quick question, like how many times of you have been like seeing a WhatsApp forward like this week, maybe for like health claim or maybe a breaking news story, something that just felt like too crazy to be true, but anyways got shared away. That's exactly where the misinformation lives, and not just on obscure websites, on a phone, in a family group chat, on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. As of this morning, so the World Economic Forum just ranked the global threat as being the number one for misinformation, like above climate change and even above war. 62% of the everything online right now is basically just false, and it just got more heated up because Meta killed all its fact checkers this year and it got replaced by AI. The problem isn't slowing down, it's being like turbocharged by AI itself. So I built the TruthDNA, an autonomous AI agent that verifies any claim under like 15 seconds, again live sources, live websites, verified news channels, and it just doesn't think, it acts, it remembers and it learns. So let's try a claim, and let's see if Meta just signed a deal. So what it does, first it will just extract the entity using the Clanner model, then just build the adaptive queries on top of it, and using heavily such as the live websites like Reuters, BBC, etc. And it verifies the claim if it's truth or not, and based on OpenAI scoring, it rates the confidence high and the scores, and based on that it also provides a small reasoning and key findings what exactly the reasons were for providing this confidence and the score. And on top of it we also build a knowledge graph so that we can understand like how the claims are being performing for like the text and the shared entities. So we can also see the complete pattern of how the entities are being linked. So you can see there was a claim of like NASA confirming water on Mars. So yeah, that's true basically. So but the moon landing was fake. So that is a misinformation. So you can see like what are the other claims linking which can cure COVID, and that's a misinformation. So there's another factor if someone just doesn't want to put a claim and they just want to see just dropping a screenshots, the recad will automatically analyze the text from the image. After extraction it will again extract the entities. So yeah, it is a pretty great job in extracting the text exactly from the image. Then it will again extract the entities, build an adaptive queries for storing, then it will again do the live search using it heavily. Let's see what kind of sources. Okay, so it's unverifiable information, and the confidence is medium, and based on that it also provides the reasoning, key findings, and which other sources it used this now to build this reasoning. So it was AP News, SNOPS, AP News, and BBC. So yeah, it does a pretty great job in analyzing and verifying the information and like reducing the misinformation being flowing outside. It can also build the history. You can see, and this is the learning dashboard, which is basically as the context gets bigger, it can build up on top of that. So each query has and weights, which adds on to building the knowledge graph.